In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the gas cap on your G35 Infiniti. Using a small trim tool, we're going to pull this little cap off. Like that. Remove the gas cap. Put the new gas cap in. Twist until it clicks. And install the little leash with the clip into the door.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.